and thank you for joining Paper Crafting with Tracy. Today I'm going to show you this nice little quick fun fold card. You can use it to showcase any of these nice designer series papers. I'm using the pansy paper that is in the annual catalog right now. So what you're going to start with is you're going to get a piece of designer series paper that is 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. Then what I did is on the 5 1/4 inch side, at the 2 5/8 mark, I just cut down 1 1/2 inches. So you can see that there. And then I just scored from this corner to close to that tip, and this corner close to that tip. So that when I fold these back, this is what I get. Just like so. And don't worry about if those points don't completely match, because it's going to be covered up with your sentiment. Okay, so then I'm using some soft seafoam as my background that I'm going to adhere this to. Okay, something that kind of stands out. So I'm going to start taping all this down. Okay, I'll actually glue these ones down just because it's easier, these little flaps. Just get some. Okay, and stick those down and hold it. There. And now we will tape that. So I've got my Stampin' seal here. Okay, while I'm doing this, I would like to invite you to please subscribe to my channel so that you stay up to date on these tutorials. So this piece of soft seafoam is the same size, so it's 4 by 5 1/4. And it's just so that there's something behind it. Almost looks like a shirt. You could make it as a shirt. And now I'll stick it on my card base. This is another really simple card. And actually, before I stick it on the card base, I'm going to apply some ribbon. So I will grab some here. So I think I will use some of this gingham ribbon here, like I used. Just line it up. And all this is available in the annual catalog. And now I will center that on my card. Like so. This is the stamp set, Pansy Patch, that I'm going to be using a sentiment from. For this one here, I used the thank you, but for this next one, I think I'll do a happy birthday. So I'll just pull that out. They're nice, tiny little sayings to use with different sentiments. So I'm going to use this double oval punch, and it's got a scalloped edge and then the matching straight edge oval. So I've already cut those out, in the same as our matting and our card base. And I'll just get some Memento black ink here to ink that up. I'll just take that off the card for a moment so that I don't accidentally get ink on there. This is going to be a tight fit, but it will fit. There we go. Move my ink out of the way, and we'll just attach this to the back. And then I will use some dimensionals to adhere that. So I'll just put one at the top and one at the bottom so that it kind of goes on either side of the ribbon. Just so it doesn't float around. Line that up like so. And now I'll just put another piece of soft seafoam in the center to finish off the inside of the card. Oops. And that's all there is to this quick and simple fun fold card. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial with paper crafting with Tracey. Please follow us on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook at Paper Crafting with Tracey as well. Happy stamping!